Okay, so I think last class में कहाँ तक discuss किया. Before that, yeah, thank you everyone. Thank you Soumik. Thank you Harsha. Thanks for the wishes. Okay, yeah, okay. So I think हमने except for optical phenomena, everything else has been done, right? जैसे optical phenomena में कुछ parts के अलावा, the rest part is done. Okay. So thank you Kalpana. Thank you Vishnu. Yeah. Okay. That part is already done. Okay. Just when you talk about optical phenomena, okay, so the phenomena which we'll be going into is this. There's a rainbow. We'll be talking about rainbow first, okay. Rainbow types and how does rainbow occur and all. Then, forget about those. We'll be going into scattering of light, the occurring of mirage, and different phenomena will be going into that. Eye structure and all not required for us. वो तो आपको पता ही है ना. आई स्ट्रक्चर एंड ऑल क्या होता है, वही आई बॉल, रेटिना, एक्वियस ह्यूमर, विट्रियस ह्यूमर, और कौन सा देयर इज सम मसल्स, राइट? कौन सा मसल्स, सीलियरी मसल्स एंड ऑल नहीं आएगा. दैट वोंट कम. ठीक है, दैट वोंट कम. ठीक है, तो स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ आई नॉट रिक्वायर्ड फॉर अस. ठीक है. Yeah, so telescope में we have reflecting telescope also good. So telescope में we do have reflecting telescopes, but I'll just go into that. Okay. Let me just go into that. Okay, so reflecting telescope भी बाकी है, reflecting telescope and बाकी सारे phenomena. Okay, so thank you Abhishek. Yeah, so we'll go into that. So let me just show you an example of the reflecting telescope. Now जब तक हमने astronomical telescope के बारे में discuss किया, और we discussed about astronomical, then the Galileo and the terrestrial telescope, 3 different types of telescope, and in all those 3 we made use of only lens. That's it. We made use of lens and nothing else, right? एक है हमने reflecting telescope में what will happen is we'll be making use of a mirror also, not completely mirrors, a combination of lens and then mirrors. Okay. What is difference between terrestrial and astronomical? Terrestrial वो था ना, terrestrial में you reverse the image, right? Astronomical मतलब the simple one which we discussed. Terrestrial में you reverse the image. Galileo में क्या होगा? Galileo में you use a concave lens as an eyepiece, right? Terrestrial telescope में you get an erect image. Astronomical में you get an inverted image. So that's the difference. Okay. Yeah, thank you Manoj. Thank you. So now when we discuss about this, I'll give a simple proof. The reflecting telescope. Sorry, just a minute. So when it comes to a telescope, अभी तक जो normal telescope था, we made use of क्या बोलते हैं उसको, 2 lenses, right? Simple case में we made use of 2 lenses. Now what we'll do is we'll make use of a concave mirror. Okay, let me just show you the diagram. एक मिनट रुको. What we will use is we'll make use of a concave mirror. So look at this. One diagram, a simple diagram. The yellow lines are the rays. Okay, the ray diagrams. Yellow lines are the rays. So here, if you look at this, and let me just show things to you. Where is that? Like, let me just show things to you. First of all, you will have a concave mirror. कौन सा mirror? Will come across a concave mirror. जहाँ पे देखो, the first optical phenomena which occurs here is reflection, and that occurs at a concave mirror. Did you see the concave mirror? It's not much clear, but I think from the ray diagram you should be able to tell. Right? देखो इन्होंने दिखा यहाँ पे. Primary mirror is written here. That primary mirror is what? concave mirror. Gap रहने दो, let there be gap. That's not an issue. Gap होने से क्या होगा? Nothing will happen. The reflection will still take place. Reflection will still take place, right? इससे क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? Our main concern is reflection. Reflection to take place. बाकी सारे देखो. Look at these rays. Those rays are being reflected, right? The rays shown here, those are being reflected. And वहाँ पे hole छोटा hole होगा. Comparatively, that hole, that gap will be small. So it's that can be ignored. बाकी सारे जगह तो है ना. You have the remaining part of the mirror which reflects. So we'll make use of that. Okay. So we had now, what do we have here? We have parallel rays. Now telescope में why do we make use of parallel rays? क्यों? Why are the incident rays parallel in a telescope? क्यों? Why is that? It's because object is very far away. So very far away, let's suppose it is at infinite distance. So which would then mean that the incoming rays are parallel to each other, right? So these two are the incoming rays. We will just take them as parallel. Now we make use of a concave mirror. In the case of a concave mirror, if the rays are parallel, then where will the image be formed? Where will the image be formed because of the mirror? Yes? The image will be formed at the focus. कहाँ पे? Focus के पास. Okay, so let's just go for the image. Okay. As a fish. Okay. Now, initially, okay, whenever this reflecting telescope was made, okay, जब भी किया उन्होंने, whenever this reflecting telescope was made initially, one of the initial designs was this. Okay, one of the initial designs was this, that there will be an eyepiece at this point. Eyepiece कहाँ पे होगा? Eyepiece will be here. The initial design was this. So if here is the eyepiece, then if there is a person, कोई भी, if there is anyone who is observing the image, उसको where should he be placed? उसको कहाँ रहना होगा? Somewhere here or here, let's say, depending on the image, right? Basically, देखो, ये टेलीस्कोप था. So the initial design, the observer had to, literally, he or she had to sit inside the telescope. मतलब telescope were that big, okay? The reflecting mirrors and the telescopes are that big. Still, the persons where to sit had to sit, okay, inside the telescope. मतलब you have a cage, let's say cage होगा अंदर where you can go and sit, and then from there you can observe. Okay, that was the initial design. सबसे पहले. Obviously, that's disadvantageous. होना ही चाहिए हमें, right? We do not need that. So to overcome that difficulty, we make use of this design. कौन सा? ये वाला. तो इसमें क्या हो जाएगा? We again make use of a mirror. Again, दूसरा mirror. कौन सा? I'll make use of a convex mirror. कौन सा mirror? Convex. So what happens is when you make use of a convex mirror, here the rays will be reflected in this way, basically as shown. Got it? Now, did you understand now the significance of the hole? Yes, if a hole is placed there, if the hole is made and from the hole he should be able to see it. The observer should be able to view the image from here without any convenience, without him entering the telescope, right? So now you can place the eyepiece here. Eyepiece can be placed here. This will be the eyepiece, and the observer can clearly look at the image. Got it? समझ आया ना रिफ्लेक्टिंग टेलीस्कोप्स? Yes, so that's the diagram given here. ठीक है, that's the one given here. समझ आया ना सबको? Yes, देखो, you just have to understand this, that's it. Ray diagram and what's happening and all. Baki, if you get any problem based on this, it's ultimately what? It's ultimately combination of lens and mirror, or combination of mirrors. That's it. That's how you have to look at it. Or kuch the way you look at it, look at microscope and telescope. They are just combination of mirrors or lens. जैसे इस case में mirror था. Generally speaking, it is a combination of lens. That's it. That is, image due to first lens will be object for the second lens or mirror. जैसे भी. ठीक है? Clear? Yeah. Secondary mirror is at the focus, yeah, almost at the focus of the concave mirror. Just ahead of it, almost at the focus. True. Secondary mirror मतलब ये वाला. For problems, if you come across it, yeah, just take it at the focus, almost at the focus. I don't think you'll get problems on reflecting telescopes, but if you do get them, then you'll go for this. Yeah, got it? Yeah. Now you understood reflecting telescopes, right? Now, reflecting telescopes are like basically very advantageous. Kyun? There are some advantages. Okay, there are simple advantages. One is its size. One of the biggest advantages of reflecting telescopes is the size. Mirrors come basically. They can have a greater aperture. Now, obviously, in case of telescope, जितना light आएंगे उतना अच्छा होगा ना. The more the light, the better it is. And the more the light coming from the object, the better it is in the case of telescope. Yes, right. In terms of intensity, बात कर लो या clarity. Okay. Now, lens वाला case में you'll have two issues. One is lens वाला case में, you can't make a bigger lens. It's not possible. Because as you increase the size of the lens, if you increase the radius of curvature, you increase the aperture, basically increase the focal length also. What happens is errors start coming in. Okay? There are some errors with respect to lens. We'll be discussing that, but they'll start coming in. There's one of the errors, right? We call them as aberrations. Okay, we call them as aberrations. Basically, errors, मान लो. You can think of them as errors. How? Errors. They start coming in. Lens वाला case. Okay. So one, I'll start with aperture. We'll discuss about aperture, and then I'll go into the aberrations part. Okay, that will be clear later on. Okay, so when it comes to aperture, देखो, if you make a lens, now where do you hold the lens? Where? You can hold the lens only at the edges. मतलब पकड़ने के लिए, literally, if you have to stick it, okay, you have to hold it by something. मतलब कहीं support बनाना होगा आपको. You have to make a support or anything. You can only hold it at the edges, right? So if you make a bigger lens, if you increase the aperture, if you try to increase the aperture, okay, we are going into one simple disadvantage of lens. There are many, but one simple disadvantage of lens. So if you try to increase the aperture, now you can only hold the lens at its edges, edge pe, at the boundary. Yes. So obviously, if you increase this size, will it become easier to hold it or will it become difficult to hold it? क्या होगा? Obviously, if you increase the size, it will become difficult to hold it. And if you are increasing the size, balance करना मुश्किल होगा ना? Simple, right? Balancing it will be difficult. In simple terms, सोचो ऐसे. Small scale and a bigger scale. इतना सोचो. If you have a 15 centimeter scale and a 1 meter scale, it will be easier to balance a 15 centimeter one. Big means imagine जितना बड़ा चाहिए. I mean, it will be in terms of, let's suppose, meters में ले लो. It can be in terms of meters. ठीक है? समझ में आ रहा ना? मीटर मतलब काफी बड़ा होगा. Okay. So that's one obvious disadvantage with that. But if I take a concave lens or a if I take a concave mirror or a convex mirror, कैसे भी, जैसे इस case में our primary mirror was or the objective was a concave mirror. Now what is the advantage in the case of holding a concave mirror? You can hold it at the back side. And you can use the other side completely to hold it. मतलब you can basically stick it. Imagine कर रहे हैं ना? So which case will become easier? कौन सा case? कौन सा case? Obviously the case of mirrors, right? So here you can increase the size. Size increase करने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगा आपको इसमें. Right? So that's why this is important. Right? So one disadvantage of using lens can be overcome by using a concave mirror as the objective. First one. और भी क्या होगा? Telescopes are very big. I mean, देखो, it depends actually. Telescopes are very big. मतलब depends on the distance which you are looking at. Okay? It depends on that. There are sizes, different sizes का telescope होते हैं. Okay? And indeed, they have some very big telescopes. True. Sorry. Now, that's one disadvantage. Now मुझे ये बताओ, dispersion यानी white light splitting into different colors. Okay, white light splitting into different colors. Will it occur in the case of reflection? Dispersion, will it occur in the case of reflection? The answer is no, it will not. But in the case of refraction, it will. It can basically. In the case of refraction, it can occur, right? A lens वाले case में, so do you have chances of dispersion? In the case of a lens, do we have chances of refraction? Dispersion. Yes. Now, in that case, if you have chances of dispersion, now if white light is coming here, if white light is incident, then in that case, white light is made up of different colors. We'll take 7 colors now. So if we take 7 colors here, then those 7 colors ke liye, will all the colors have the same focus or different focus, focal length? All the colors will have different refractive index. First thing is violet se lekar red tak. The 7 colors have different refractive index. Now when they mean different refractive index, they will also have different focus, because in the case of a lens, the focus ka formula, in that formula you make use of refractive index. So when you make use of refractive index, iska matlab kya hoga? If refractive index changes, then the focal length will also change. Now generally we assume focus sabke liye ek hi hoga, but when you increase the size, basically you have to increase the radius of curvature, right? So in those cases, what happens is this will come up. Basically, for paraaxial rays, we can neglect this dispersion and all, but if the rays are not paraaxial, in that case, that effect will come on. Well, what will happen if you just take the, let's say if you take rays parallel to principal axis, image formed will be in such a way that it will be distributed over a length. And you'll see it as a rainbow. You will see it as what? You will see it as a rainbow. समझ आया ना? Yes. Let's मतलब red का यहाँ पे, violet का यहाँ पे, बीच में different colors. ठीक है? Depending on the refractive index, you will have the order. Yes. So now that does not give us a clear image. So that's called as a chromatic aberration. Okay? Chromatic aberration. Okay? We'll again discuss about it. Aberrations में discuss करेंगे हम. Chromatic aberration. समझ आया ना? Yes. So this also can be avoided by using what? By using a mirror. Yes or no? By using a mirror, you can avoid it. समझ आ रहा है ना? Clear? Yeah. We'll go into the aberrations part. Ruko, we have to go into that. The chromatic aberrations and spherical aberrations. We'll go into that. Okay? एक और भी disadvantage है that also can be covered. I'll go into it. ठीक है? As of now समझ आ गया ना reflecting telescopes मतलब क्या होगा? Got it right? ये सबको theory पता होना चाहिए. बाकी सब it is just nothing but combination of mirrors. It's called as reflecting telescopes. I think it will also have a name Cassegrain telescope. I think NCERT ने दिया होगा. Something by the name Cassegrain telescope. I don't exactly remember the name, but I think वही होगा. We can go through that. ठीक है? Clear? Yes. Yeah. Just a minute. Okay.